when we disconnected the motor or something else. Everything is just fine.
If you say so.
Run for the ladder, Nemo, before they can cut you off!
Let's try!
The door controls, they're completely fried.
Thank you.
These doors be open manually?
I'm afraid not. The only way we can get them open is by using the controls by the doors where we came in.
I'm on it.
No way, that's suicide!
He's right. The raptors wouldn't have come back if they were still afraid of you.
I'll just have to give them a new reason to be scared.
Maybe at least talk about this.
You know damn well I'm the only one's got a chance to get to that control panel.
Maybe, but who says you have to go alone?
I do. Look, Billy, we gotta get these people out of here. I figure they got no chance with both of us gone. Crap. Okay, I want everyone to hang tight while I figure this out. You're gonna be fine.
What's the plan?
Looking up. I'll let you know.
More bright ideas?
I could get down that way. I've made jumps that wide before. All right. I want you to tempt those raptors by creeping down the ladder.
Oh, okay. Before, I thought you were nuts, but that sounds like a great
You
plan.
got something better?
Always throw the doctor lady down there. That would distract him.
Don't go! You could die!
Don't count me out yet. Give me a diversion, will ya? Couple of seconds at least.
Got
Hey. Thanks. I hope he makes it back. Try not to worry. The man has skills,
I thought you hated him.
but I respect his ability. If anyone can do this, he can.
Oscar! Company! Hey, check this out, huh? Nice, tasty drumstick! Too slow, you dumb lizard!
Actually,
That's it. Just keep focused on Billy. No choice.
there.
That was their fear response. Something about this place scares them. But even if they weren't scared, you look ready to hold them off.
Thanks. I'm glad I didn't have to.